to my channel. It's me, Maya, again, and today I'm going to be doing my top favorite squishies. This isn't in any particular order. I'm just going to show you guys my favorite squishies. But before we get started, please like this video and subscribe, and comment down below some video requests. So let's just get us started. Okay, so the first one we have is a Sandy bear in a chick costume. And this is so effective, but the reason why, oh, sorry for the background noise, but the reason why I still like this, it's because, it's so soft and so rising, so, yeah. I really like it. Next, squishing the little ears. So satisfying. Here's the ball train. I had to tape it, because it broke, but I still wanted the ball train, sorry. So yeah, it's so soft. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's not original packaging, but I just keep it for some reason. I don't know why, I just do. Put this in the packaging. So, yeah. Sorry if you don't like the crinkling noise. The next one is this I Bloom Angel Bunny, and I got this in my squishy package video not too long ago. I think it was like about almost 2 weeks ago now. But it's so starting, and the reason why I picked this one and not my white one or the purple one, it's because those are way too starting for me. I like rising squishies, but not too starting. You don't have to wait like 8 years for it to rise. But this one is the one that is my most starting one, because it like takes forever to rise. So I just picked this pink one because you can see the really big difference. Look, like this one, I like this because it's a good amount of stariziness for me. So yeah, and this is by I Bloom. Here's the licensing. It's on its booty. Aside from like looking up. But this is what the packaging looks like. I'm also going to put this in its packaging. And this packaging is not sticky anymore. So I have to put it upside down in its packaging. But yeah, so that's that one. The next one is actually a paper squishy. It is this pillow. I don't know why I say pillow or pillow. But it is this pillow. And I just like it because it's so fun to squish. Sorry for the background noise. Sorry, but yeah, it's so squishy and fun to squish. It's actually my paper squishy collection video. So this one doesn't come with packaging, and I made up. This is the next one. It is this melon bun. And it's so soft. Sorry for the background noise. This didn't come with any packaging because it's a common squishy. The next one is this mini blush bun. And it's ripped in half, but it's so soft again. And it's a really good amount of stabilizingness. And again, it doesn't come with packaging because it's a common squishy. The next one is this Sandy French fry squishy. And this one does have a little bit of defects, but it's okay because this is only $3. And like the Angel Bunny, like the white one, literally just finished rising. That's how rising it is. But yeah, super rising. Well, squishy and rising. And this is the packaging. And here is the back. So yeah, I will put this one in its packaging also. This packaging is really quite ruined because it rips and it's not sticky anymore. So yeah. This one, I really need to take this back together. Yeah, the next one is this Soft and Sauce cake, and you're wondering why is this? You must well, your favorite squishy, it's because it's so solarizing. And like a couple minutes ago, I just said, so sometimes squishies can be so solarizing, but the reason I like this, I just don't. It's just, yeah, it's super soft. Super solarizing. I don't know why I like this one, and it's super duper solarizing, but I don't really like the angel bunnies being super duper solarizing. I don't know. But that one, and this is my soft one, so I don't have the packaging anymore. The next one, and the second to last one, is this Sanky Alien, cat burger, and, yeah. Super squishy and solarizing. I like this squishy so much. It's actually my favorite squishy in my collection right now, currently. And this is the packaging. So yeah. And the last squishy is the soft and slow cinnamon roll. I don't have the packaging for this one again, but this is super dense, but I just think it's so big and just, I don't know, super fun to squish. Sorry for looking up, I don't know why. Even though this has so many defects, like, it'll take me like an hour to like show you guys all the defects, but I have no idea why. But those are my favorite squishies. So those are my favorite squishies. Hope you guys like this video. Like this video and subscribe. And comment down below some video requests. And yeah, that's all for this video. Bye. Ta-da!